Hey guys, what's Bougie? It's Melanie. Good morning. It is like 8 and I am headed out the door for my class. I only have one class a day, 3 days a week, and it's like 2 hours long. Yeah, I figured I would bring you guys along today. It's kind of like a vlog, so it's time to get going. Yeah, just wanted to say hi, good morning. My name's Melanie, if you didn't already know, and I'll see you guys at school. Hi guys, so I was going to do a little vloggy. Just got back from class today. It wasn't that bad. We just did like syllabus stuff again, and then we started like our lectures, and it was kind of rough.
That's fine.
Going to class made me realize how much I really need to go to a library and study and catch up on reading and stuff. Probably what I'm gonna be doing mostly today, along with like some filming stuff. I'm gonna go pick up some groceries probably right now on the way home. Really want to make muffins. I keep having the urge to like eat and make muffins, so I think I'm gonna make some muffins at home while I study. Yeah, I just wanted to update you. I was gonna film a little at school, you know, like walking to my classes and funsies and stuff, but I was freaking late. It was really embarrassing because the traffic was so bad, and now this person's waiting for my spot, so I gotta go. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I just got home from grocery shopping and stuff, but I remembered I got some goodies from ThredUp, so I just want to quickly unbox them and show you guys what I picked up before I start baking my muffins. I've been very much looking forward to these packages, so I'm super excited to dig into them and also show you guys what I got. This doesn't look very cute, sorry, this is not like a cute setup. But this is a productive day in the life, not an aesthetic one, so it's fine. If you guys didn't know, I mentioned this in like an Instagram story or something like that, but one of my goals for 2020 is to shop more sustainably, and just in general, I want to do good for the earth and also contribute to less waste. One big way I'm doing that is by shopping secondhand stores like ThredUp. I want to thank ThredUp so much for partnering with me in this video. I'm a big fan of the brand. If you guys want to shop on ThredUp, you can use my code right here for 30% off. They just make it super easy and accessible. One way that ThredUp is further advocating for sustainable fashion is through their fashion footprint calculator, which is basically this really easy quiz. It only takes like 3 minutes, and it basically tells you the carbon footprint of your closet. I took my quiz here. These are my results, and I urge you guys to take it also, and also just to shop more sustainably for the new year. That could be one of your resolutions as well. They always package it super cute when you get it. They also have an app which makes it even easier to shop. I just love that you can search up specific brands, and you can also filter out sizes and stuff. First off, I got this top. It's from American Eagle, a brand that I really do enjoy. It's just a nice little button-up Henley. Very soft. It's like an army green shade. Through the app, which I have on my phone, you're also able to see the estimated retail value and how much you paid for it, which makes it even more clear like how much money you're saving. So for example, the estimated retail value was around $25, and I got it for about $15. Next off, I got this tank top, and I know it's kind of winter, but I still wear tank tops, okay? This is from Brandy. I don't really find Brandy that much at thrift stores, but ThredUp has a bunch of Brandy stuff, which is awesome. Patriotic looking little tank top, but I think it's adorable. I'm definitely gonna wear it even in the winter. I think it'll be fine. I also got this Brandy little t-shirt, plain little thing. It's a nice little like lilac-y pink pastel shade. Very soft, comfy. Definitely gonna be wearing this. I get a lot of basics from the site. They have a lot of great basics. And then I got this pair of Nike dry fit sweatpants that, oh boy, these look so comfy. I want to put these on right now. I love them. They're dry fit, they're fuzzy inside. They have an embroidered little Nike symbol on them. These Nike sweats were $26 on ThredUp, and the estimated retail was $54, and so it also tells you how much you're saving, and it says I'm saving approximately 57%. I also picked up some jackets because it is winter. I'm always cold, blah blah blah. Yes, we know that. It's kind of a weird combination of clothes because I got random like tank tops and shorts, but then I also got some jackets. But you know what, that's fine. So first off, I got this jacket from American Eagle. As I already mentioned, I really like that brand, and it kind of has like this fur lining stuff, and then it's like a corduroy material. I also really like that the sleeves have little fur stuff to match that. This one was approximately $70 retail retail value, and I got it for $30, so that's about 61% off. I also got this leather jacket from BP, which I really like. It's like a dark brown leather, and it's very nice quality. It has a nice zipper and it has nice pockets, but it's nice and simple also. It looks like it's gonna be pretty oversized, but this is my first leather jacket ever. Sometimes, I don't know, I just feel like I'll look too much like a vampire slayer or something if I wear leather, but you know, I've decided to try it out. And this one was $26.99. Whoa, okay, so this one, the estimated retail value was $161. And then on ThredUp, it was going for about $39, but then it also was having a sale, so it was only $27, which is crazy for a super nice leather jacket from BP. So I'm very excited to style this one. I got this nice little tank top from BP. It's size extra small, and it actually still has the brand new tag on it, which is crazy. Kind of looks like lingerie, but it's just like a delicate little tank top, which I think will look really good with gold jewelry. Approximately $54, and it's only $16. Plus it has the tags on, which is crazy. I got this super soft long sleeve baseball tee from American Eagle. This is so freaking soft. I got another brandy top. This one is just gray and white stripes. It's also a little bit ribbed, very good condition still. And then this is another brandy top. Okay, so you obviously know which brands I've been looking up. It was like American Eagle and brandy and BP. I was going through a little phase, but this is just a nice dark green and navy. Kind of looks like a e-boy little thing, so yeah. But I really like this color combo. It reminds me of school, which I don't like school, but I like the color combo, so. And then I also got this little zip up hoodie. Go me, I only got one hoodie in this entire haul, and this is from Aerie. This one was approximately $48, and I got it for $16, which is 73% off. Those are all of my items. If you want to check out ThredUp and, you know, do some sustainable shopping for the new year, make sure to use my code for 30% off. And now we're done. Hi friends, I am now baking. I'm making muffins because I have an 8:30 class. I know I'm so annoying every single time I say I have an 8:30 class. High school literally started at like 7. I'm baking muffins so that I can just like bring them to school real easy peasy, you know, bring them to my cafe so I don't have to spend like $10 on a stupid muffin there. I'm just obsessed with muffins. I already talked about this, but I'm making some. But I can't find my sugar because I think my dad hid it from me. So yeah, but I'm just gonna bake and watch High School Musical, the musical, the series. By the way, you should definitely watch it if you haven't. Good recommendation. So I finished making my muffins, and honestly, sometimes I'm good, sometimes I kind of suck at following recipes, and today was one of those days, and I forgot some ingredients, but it's fine. And I also tried to make them like healthy muffins, so I don't know if these are even gonna taste good, but I'm gonna do a little taste test. They're like blueberry healthy ones, but I also put chocolate in them because I really like chocolate, but they're healthy because they have like yogurt, Greek yogurt, and muffins, and like whole wheat flour. So oh dear, I just dropped something. Yeah, that kind of tastes like nothing. It's okay, I'd still eat it. Honestly, if it's in the shape of a muffin, I think I'd eat anything. Now, I think I'm going to go do some homework, sadly. I really need to. I also need to edit a video. I'm very behind. So I'm gonna go work on that and eat my muffin. I might go to a cafe tonight because honestly, I think if I stay in, I'm not gonna get much done. Hey guys, don't mind the noise in the background. That is my heater that is constantly on because my room is
freezing cold.
I finally made my way upstairs.
Finally.
Took some time because I watched TV for a little bit longer than I was hoping. I just cleaned my room a little bit because it was just getting a little bit dirty. And now I'm getting onto my schoolwork. I was gonna go out and like go to a cafe, do my schoolwork there, and honestly it would probably be more productive there. Just a little bit too lazy to go out, you know? Like once I settle at home, I don't have the motivation to go back out. Why am I so pink all the time? Gosh. Alright guys, so I just finished some note taking for my business law class. I need it all pretty and I'm tired and done with reading. Yeah, I'm gonna go shower now and then watch The Bachelor with my mom, because that sounds fun. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, this productive day in the life vlog. If you guys want to see more productive, I don't know, vloggy little things, or just vlogs of my life, or more about like school and running start while I'm still here, just school in general or note taking, make sure to let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.